in this tutorial, we're going to go over matrix addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Now you can see here we have from Sympy import matrix to start it out, and I have two predefined matrices. So we have A and B, they're both 3 by 3 matrices. Now let me preface this that some people may need to use the display function here. I am using a notebook, so I do not, but just in case you are using a .py file, you may need to do this. Now we'll start off by doing simply A plus B. And you can see it returns this as visually pleasing matrix. If you use NumPy, it's not as visually pleasing, and I personally like this as I think it's computationally better as well. Now we can come down here, and for the next one, we can do A minus B. Now you can see here this returns us the identity matrix. That's simply because I set it up to be that way. Now lastly, we can do matrix multiplication. Now this should save you a lot of time if you do have to compute larger matrices, as this can go as large as you would like. I personally just throw 3 by 3. You could do 5 by 5, 3 by 5, etc. And that'll be all for addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrices.